Hey guys, welcome back to Pretentious Pundits, a channel where we discuss all things football and pretend to know what we're talking about. I don't know why I said channel because we're going to be putting this up on our Instagram page. Regardless, as you can see, I've been joined by.
To be fair, your Instagram feed is a channel of all your content.
Makes sense.
He does this every
Thank
time.
This is why he owns a podcast.
Thank
I think you
This
justify
is why it's
something,
called
man.
So yeah, anyways, as you can see, we're joined by Hari, we're joined by Shashik, and also the co-host of Talking with Arun and Sadanand podcast. I don't know which one of your names goes first.
I'm not Arun.
Talking with Arun and Sadanand, yeah.
Yeah, Arun's name is first alphabetical order.
Alphabet, yeah, fair enough. We'll leave a link to their podcast in our description. Their season 1 just finished, so you guys might want to go and check that out. It's brilliant. I listen to it in my free time, and that should tell you something about the podcast because I am a very lazy person. I don't do stuff like that. But go ahead and check it out.
Fine.
Hey, don't get all mushy now on the screen.
Hari should just say girls, go ahead.
Yeah, Hari,
they'll
go
get
ahead.
like
Do one for the
40 million
girls.
views.
Do one for the ladies.
No.
Sway them with your charm.
Ironically, I've seen our analytics, and I think most of our listeners are males. So,
Hari, I think you should
be welcome. Treat you well.
And here I thought this was gonna help us all get laid.
Yeah.
You'll probably get laid off.
I mean, it's still possible, but I don't think any of us would be into it.
PSG buyer.
PSG would have slapped them, I'm telling you. They
No,
have
PSG
literally
buyer,
one job, okay? Give it to Mbappe and he will go do something with it.
Neymar's not playing.
He might
Hey,
come back
Neymar
for the draw.
He went for his sister's birthday party or something.
Oh, hangover. Okay.
This Neymar and sister's relation is very shady, dude.
Sweet Home Alabama.
Someone is nodding in appreciation. No.
What?
It's not nodding. What?
Nothing. No.
Did you say what I think?
Record. Start recording.
No, I didn't say
I think
anything.
he's recording.
No,
Is
I
he
think
He's recording.
Hari, you better watch yourself.
Oh, can we address the racism thing that happened yesterday? Do you guys know what happened?
What happened?
So this player from Sylvia Praha, the goalkeeper was injured from a bad.
I saw that Rangers guy hit it.
Oh wait, yeah. How can I forget this? I read this today morning.
So there's this Rangers guy who's just coming and checking if he's okay, and then one of the Sylvia Praha guys just goes up to him, covers his mouth, talks into his ears, and calls.
Initially, I don't think it was a foul for me.
And Kamara's furious by the attentions of Andres Kudela. Then Kamara has to be careful, he's been booked first half. Well, Golson, it's all got a bit silly here. Scott.
Okay, and this guy's genuinely hurt, and he goes and tells the ref, and the ref can't do anything. That's why he got the red card. He got the red card.
The player who got abused got the red card.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wait,
And then
what?
he went right to exactly. He had a reaction or something. He just got mad. So he fought with the ref and all that. He got the red card. He went and cried to this thing? Gerard consoles him, and then they continued. That was the whole thing. And then after they won the game, these ultras from Sylvia Praha, they made a
Glenn Kamara apparently.
Yeah, Kamara. So they call him out in their this thing Instagram. Kamara is a whatever. Like that's their post. That's their latest post.
No. There was one YouTube video on BT Sports channel also. No.
Thing.
Gerard
The
was
accused is
talking about it.
apparently Andre Kudela.
Yeah. So UEFA haven't done anything, and that's just the thing. And Sylvia Praha also haven't condemned the fans.
Don't you dare say shit about UEFA. We're all bending the knee now. Because apparently that's supposed to counter racism. Yeah, by the way, let's start off with the UCL draw. How many of you watched it live?
Yo, you know one fun fact for the day.
What's up?
None of you are in Jersey except me. It's reverse.
You should say.
No,
I was
technically,
wearing
I'm
one,
wearing
these guys
something
made me
Liverpool.
remove it.
I'm wearing something Liverpool, so.
I'm wearing
He
red.
screwed you over, man.
I'm wearing red.
I'm wearing
Oh,
black because Black Lives Matter.
Oh god.
Are we
Part of the
milking the PR
movement
now?
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. You have a
Anyways,
title now.
what I think me, Shash, and Hari were at the same place. Like we saw the draw live. But regardless, what are
Yeah,
your
I was writing my
thoughts?
exam. I was writing my exam. when
Wait,
the
what?
draw was,
At 4:30?
What?
Yeah. Yeah, we have an afternoon exam, 2 to 5.
No, that's nice.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Anyways, yeah. So what are we going to be talking about today? We're going to be talking about the UCL draw and of course the UEL draws as well. Kicking it off with UCL draws. First game is going to be between
let's start with.
Madrid and Liverpool.
I feel let's start with UEL. No,
Why
later we'll go
UEL?
to UCL.
No. Start off with the Champions League. 3 of you were
Yeah,
there
the
anyway.
moment we start
Okay,
with UEL,
no,
people
no.
are going to click off. They're going to be like, screw you. First person to click off this video.
Hello,
will
they
be
hear
our-
from my face. Yeah. Just like that team clicked off.
Yeah, no, anyways.
It actually makes sense, though.
It does. So, anyways, the first game is Madrid versus Liverpool. Time to get some sweet revenge, boys. I'm telling you,
Sure.
straight off the bat,
Definitely.
after the first whistle, Mane should go do to Ramos what he did to Ederson.
Ederson,
Kung
no?
fu his head off.
Speaking.
Salah. You mean Salah,
Realistically
right?
speaking, is that going to happen?
Yeah, it will. Sure, it will.
Isn't Mane too nice to do that?
No.
Mane is too sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
Mane is good.
Yeah. But you never know. He's been so irritated with his form that he might actually.
Yeah, he might
go and
actually do. You can see him getting more and more frustrated now.
Because he
Yeah.
can't shoot. He's forgotten how to shoot.
Fair enough, but who do you think is going to come out, victorious in this draw? I'm talking about first
Easy
and second.
Liverpool.
Like, who do you think is going to make it to semis?
Liverpool, easy.
To be honest, I think it's going to be Real.
No, why?
Just because of how bad your form has been recently.
Yeah, I mean,
because of that.
Madrid has also
But-
been dropping points.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not as bad as you guys.
Yeah, fair enough. But I'm happy
But you
with the
never know
last
in
two
the Champions
victories.
League. Last 2 victories, any of those?
Last
Sorry?
week and before that.
Yeah.
We beat
Oh,
Wolves
okay.
and then we beat Leipzig, yeah. So.
Yeah. See,
Oh, you
we
got Leipzig. Okay, fine.
beat Leipzig. That's why I feel we can beat Real also.
No.
That's
Not
not a
in the
good
same
comparison, but
ballpark. Yeah,
okay.
your logic doesn't
whatever.
apply here.
No, man, we are beat.
I honestly feel Madrid will beat us first leg, and I think we might be able to beat them in the second leg if we play well, but I'm not sure.
No, genuinely speaking, I feel like this is going to be a 1-0 victory for us at Bernabeu. We'll get some very cheap goal or penalty.
Which is the first
Bernabeu.
leg? First leg is where?
Bernabeu.
Bernabeu
Okay.
is there.
Yeah, I think you guys will win 1-0 in that, and then Anfield can go either way.
I think Anfield, they're going to come and destroy us.
No,
'cause
Anfield
will
will
become
beat
a-
them 2-1.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. 2-1 in Anfield, either way. Either Real
No,
or...
it's going to be
No, I
2-1
don't
in
know.
Anfield. We're going to beat them 3-1 on aggregate. The same score they beat us by in the final.
Oh, poetic though.
Yeah.
So wait, Hari, you think Liverpool will go through? Sirish, you think Liverpool will go?
Hurry. It's either yes
Hmm.
or no. What is this? You're drawing
Yes,
an
no,
infinity.
Yes, yeah, we will go through.
Done.
But we.
I think Real will go through after losing one and winning one.
Fair
I think
enough.
Real
Shah.
might go through on away goals.
Yeah,
Real
something like
Madrid
that.
will go through on
Something
away goals,
calculated.
is what you're
Yeah, I
saying.
think they're going to go through in a very cheap way, like something like away goals.
Oh,
Which-
we
Yeah,
are going to
so-
go through. So basically, you're saying Liverpool win.
I say they'll win one of the legs, but I think Real will go through.
Same.
I
It's
think
very
Liverpool are
con-
going to beat them in both the legs. I'm being very
Yeah.
optimistic.
The
here.
only reason why I'm saying that is because our form has been so bad, and I don't trust our players
No, I
enough.
feel like Jota is back, Fabinho's back, and hopefully they don't get
Have
injured.
you ever been there for your team, realistically?
I mean, technically speaking, after Porto, this is one of the easier draws.
No,
Based on form, this
Based
is
on form, yeah,
technically-
Dortmund
Yeah,
have been in
I-
good form.
based on form, okay, I agree.
And I don't think
Imagine-
Porto, I don't think Porto is an easy draw, and I think we should
Yeah.
talk about that fixture.
Porto is
was-
the easiest draw out of these.
No. Chelsea is the easiest draw.
Why?
You saw what they did to Atletico, right?
I mean,
Under Tuchel, Chelsea is good. Actually,
Not
brilliant.
Tuchel, he's been great.
he's unbeaten, right?
Mendy hasn't conceded a goal in what? 7-8 games now?
What?
No, he has conceded.
No,
but
one they lost. I think
totally-
the first one, I think first game under Tuchel was a 1-1 draw. Or a 0-0
Yeah, they
draw.
drew.
It was a 0-0 draw, sorry.
They drew, yeah, that I remember.
Yeah, Kepa kept 2 clean sheets
Yeah.
against under Tuchel. So I'm assuming Chelsea are not going to be easy to beat.
What?
But isn't
Kepa
Tuchel
kept one
attacking
clean
coach?
sheet in Premier League and one in FA Cup under Tuchel.
But isn't Tuchel a attacking minded coach?
He is, but under him the defense looks more solid.
Yeah. No, they've become so good at attack that their defense.
Yeah,
is
technically
making-
speaking, Thiago Silva isn't starting every other game, but still Rudiger is doing such a fantastic job.
Mm.
Reece James also.
Yeah, I watched the game against Atletico Madrid. They looked so threatening. Kai Havertz literally ran rings around their players.
That Havertz and Ziyech link up, it's happening.
Yeah, I
guess.
mean, Warner needs to find the net more often, but Ziyech is still getting there. Havertz, I feel like, is picking up quickly.
But do you think, you can't take anything away from Porto because they knocked out Juventus.
I mean,
Juventus
technically
are
speaking, it
really
was
big.
Juventus' own undoing. If you see that
True.
free kick goal, yeah, they would have easily gone through on maybe away goals, or they would have beat them by, the aggregate score. They would have beat them by 1 if they would have just defended that free kick.
But
Chelsea are unbeaten in their last 14 games, and they have a clean sheet in their last 6. Why isn't anyone talking about that? What the hell?
It's
No,
because
because-
I'm telling you, they're the dark horses in this one.
yeah, they're definitely the dark horses.
I am telling you, I'm
Okay.
scared of Chelsea. I don't want. Look, the problem is we've been drawn out against them. If they win and we win against Madrid, we're going to be facing
Yeah,
off each
yeah,
other.
yeah, that's
We're
all.
going to be facing off against each other in the semis. So yeah.
Hmm.
Anyways, so there is what 2 Pool and 2 Madrid, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
All right. Moving on to the next fixture: City versus Dortmund. City get.
No, we are doing
easy
Porto
fixture.
Chelsea, no?
We're doing Porto Chelsea. Yeah.
Porto Chelsea. We'll get to it later. It's like way down. It's like what after.
Oh, you're
the
doing
first
it
week is-
according to the matches, huh? Okay.
I want Dortmund to win. I don't want City to go ahead.
I honestly want Dortmund to win. I don't
Same.
think
Why
City
would anyone
deserve
want
to
City to go through other
Yeah.
than City fans?
Exactly.
I
think
want
that's
Dortmund.
unanimous.
This
That's
all four
unanimous.
goes to
We all
Dortmund.
want Dortmund to win.
Yeah.
But okay, keeping aside our bias for a second, let's be completely fair to both teams. Who do you think is going through?
City.
City.
Reality
No.
is City. But
No.
I don't see.
Haaland
Yeah.
will not crash out of the Champions League.
The problem is Haaland might score, but did you see the Bayern match? They had a 2-0 lead and they blew it.
The
They
problem
blew
with
it and they
Dortmund
It's
is
a
they
problem
have
with
Haaland
defense
and
is
Sancho
bad.
up front, but their defense is utter trash.
Yeah,
Very
exactly.
bad. Very bad.
And then
Just
we have
go-
City.
And then we have City who are just
I don't know what's that team only.
I mean, technically
City
Aguero is back
talent.
now, so
Aguero, I don't
he
think
won't play. I
he'll
don't think he'll play.
Yeah.
I think Jesus.
Aguero was back months ago.
Yeah,
He was,
but
recently he's
pick
back into regular side. Like he's getting football. He's getting time on
But
the
he's-
pitch. But the problem, I think,
he's-
last game, if you guys saw the what do you say, social media posts and stuff, the news. Apparently, he was very upset at the end of City's last game because, according to him, they were not passing the ball to him.
Yeah, I feel he's not that influential at the point,
Yeah,
in City,
right
because
now,
there
they're
are
like-
so
I feel the
many
same in every-
players.
Correct.
Yeah. So, anyways, first leg score predictions.
For Dortmund, this thing, no?
It's at Etihad.
Etihad. Then
Two Haaland goals, one Sancho goal, or one Sancho assist. That's what I want to predict. I don't care about the score.
Oh, okay.
I feel
What
a
about you,
1-1
Shah?
draw.
First leg?
I don't know if you guys saw Twitter when they were playing Gladbach. Gladbach, they put out their lineup and they didn't have a striker. Did you know what Gladbach replied with? They said,
Yeah,
when you don't need strikers to play against us. They didn't have one single striker on their team. They played with midfield and they still beat Gladbach. So
Their
I think
squad is
Why not
just that
technically
good.
played like a striker?
their squad is really good, but I think Haaland will score, of course. I think
Honest opinion, do you guys think City is ruining like football generally?
yeah, I think they are.
Because one, their team, A team, B team, C team, can content for the title separately as 3 teams.
True.
True.
That's how much depth they have. And it's all because of the money. It's not because of anything else.
Look,
Bloody
there's
rich.
nothing we can do about it at this point. We've complained about it for like years now.
No one can do anything.
No one can do anything.
And
We just
especially now
grill.
Pep Guardiola has
But-
actually gone like full cocky, and he's making statements in the press saying, we have a lot of money to buy world class players and stuff like that. It only makes you more and more worried. What is he gonna do next?
I think that financial fair play thing was against City itself, right? But they still managed to win that case also.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know.
I
think-
wonder why.
Money team, that is
I
money
think I
team.
spoke to a couple of City fans, and bear with me, this is gonna sound very stupid, but City fans.
They're City fans.
So, anyways, I was talking to City fans, and I was like, I'm baffled you guys didn't get banned from UEFA. You just paid your way out of that as well. To which their response was, how can you pay your way out of a case which is against you for violating financial fair play rules?
I have an answer. Money.
Money! Moolah!
And their case was going on during COVID times.
I mean, technically
So
speaking, City at this point is like a rich billionaire at a strip club. They can do whatever they want. They just chuck money over. They're just gonna be. Pep Guardiola is standing there with those. I don't know what you call them. Those TikTokers seem to be hanging around with those guns that shoot money, right?
Oh, the Supreme guns. Yeah.
Pep Guardiola is just standing there with like 4 of those, spraying cash everywhere.
It'd be a nice photo op. I won't
Is
be
Messi-
surprised if that actually happens.
Is Messi to City a reality then?
No.
I doubt.
At this point, look, the only
Messi
problem
to City isn't
is
happening.
if they do decide to sign Messi, they're gonna have to change the wage budget a lot. You think any club in the world
Agree.
would want to pay 1 million for Messi?
Yeah.
You know what they're gonna do? I think De Bruyne said this. If I get a chance to play with Messi, I'll happily take a wage cut.
Yeah, that they'll figure it out. Obviously, they're not.
Yeah, but technically speaking, do you think
It's not that they're poor or anything.
what does he earn at Barca? 1 million a week
Wait, what?
before
Seriously?
deductions and
So
taxes.
realistically, okay, listen up. When someone says they're ready to take a wage cut, okay, first of all, they're already making 300,000 a week.
Yeah.
Even if you make 50% of that, okay, you know how rich you'll be? You'll be making close to $500,000 a month.
Pretty much.
A month.
And just in
So
case
even
you
if
guys
you take a
didn't
wage
figure out,
cut, you're
he's,
still going to be
pursuing
rich.
engineering.
It doesn't matter. Dude, I've thought about this so much. You know, in first time, I literally wrote shit down like this, like how much Sanchez was making.
He's just
I
sitting
don't
down
know.
like,
Yeah, I was so bored in class. I took out a sheet of paper. I saw how much Sanchez was making a week. I saw how many goals he scored. I think I came to a goal per money number, and I literally cried. Dude, that man has robbed us. It's no joke. He's robbed us. He was making what, $500,000 a week? He was there for what, a year and a half? Quick maths, $500,000 a week, 12 months. That's 6 million a year. Okay, 9 million he's made. He scored 2 goals. You do that, man.
I mean, technically, it's very easy to rob Ed Woodward.
Oh, I read that we're going to have TeamViewer as our new show sponsors. You know, TeamViewer, the app where you can share your screen and use it. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. And you know the best part? The logo's blue.
Mm.
Yeah.
The logo's blue.
Yeah.
A blue logo on a red shirt.
No, I think they'll make it white, probably.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
what they do with Vodafone, no?
But honestly, on a real though, who do you think City? Who do you think is going to go through City or Dortmund?
City.
I want
City is gonna be
Dortmund to
Dortmund
go.
in both legs.
No, I'm gonna go with Dortmund. First leg-
I'm going with Dortmund as well.
Okay,
First
City,
leg, 5-2
3 Dortmunds,
actually.
1 City.
This is my prediction. See, first leg gonna be a 1-1 draw in Etihad. Then in that, what's Dortmund stadium?
Luna Park.
Yeah, there they're gonna beat them 3-1, I guess.
How do I remove this?
Yeah, but
Let's see how these guys have been playing.
Remove friend.
Hey,
No, but honestly, I think Sadan, you said City, Sirif, you said City, and me and Hari said that.
See, you know what? Back in 2000, that Real Madrid thing, PTSD. Everyone predicted that Liverpool will lose to City and stuff like that, but actually the opposite happened.
I
If
think,
we
guys, you
do-
have to take into account that City choke in the Champions League. Every single year they do it.
Every
That's in the
single
semis.
year.
That's in the
No,
semis.
no, they honestly choke everywhere in the entire tournament. They're
They do,
always
and I
choking in the Champions.
hope they. Wait. Fuck being neutral. I hope they choke. I hope
Yeah,
they choke. I
same.
hope they go crashing out of this Champions League.
Same.
I think they will. I think I don't know.
I hope they get destroyed like 5-0 or something.
I
Haaland's
hope
dad is
Haaland
in the
becomes the next
stands.
Messi.
No, I hope Haaland's dad's in the stands. Look at what I'm doing to your team. And then he signs for United. Please sign for United.
He's not going to sign for United.
One is leaving, so we need a striker.
But he's
After
not
what
going
Roy
to sign.
Keane, after what Roy Keane did to him,
He
his
used
father.
to play for City, right?
Yeah, his father used to play. I guess I'm not sure about it.
His father's career kind of ended after Roy Keane.
Roy
Yeah,
Keane.
I think
After a
he's more
certain
likely to
Irishman-
join Chelsea.
No, so his dad literally broke his knee and he almost ended his career. Roy Keane. 6 years later, he did the same to him. It's just poetic. That's a beautiful story.
I think he'll move to Chelsea because Chelsea. I think Abramovich told Tuchel that.
Why won't he come to Liverpool? Come on, please.
He openly said he won't go to
Purely
Chelsea.
because we can't afford him.
Yeah, we can't.
No,
afford-
he openly said he won't go to Chelsea because they're not title winning team. Haaland said that in an interview. He openly said that.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he openly said that in some interview. That he won't go to Chelsea no matter what. And that was recently, not even like some time back. It was like 2-3 weeks ago.
I mean, technically at this point, Dortmund is definitely going to ask for a 100+ million type price tag. The only teams even remotely capable of paying that money are Barca, Real, PSG,
United.
City.
Not Barca, Real, I guess.
Barca can.
No, they
Barca,
sell Messi.
Barca have paid over 100 million for 3 different players. Ousmane Dembele for Coutinho for freaking Griezmann.
But still,
Yeah,
there's
but
some
that was all
prices going
the
up.
Neymar money.
Yeah.
How much of it was Neymar? They only sold him for 222 million. And keep in mind, they still bought players like Frankie De Jong and all during this period.
Oh yeah.
But still some crisis
No, but if they sell
going on in
Messi,
Dortmund.
realistically, if they sell Messi,
Only if they sell Messi will they be able to bring in all these players.
yeah, he'll probably go out for free. That's also there.
Yeah, but
I don't think
realistically
they're gonna
speaking, the
sell
only
him.
reason, again, if while Liverpool couldn't sign any of these players, is purely because we can't afford their wages.
And we bought Thiago.
Mbappe is earning what, roughly 320-350k per week at PSG. He does.
What
Google
the
it.
hell?
He earns around 350k per week, or around that ballpark, every week
You
at
guys
PSG.
realize he's our age, right?
Yeah.
Shameless. Yeah.
Shash, am I right?
Probably. Sounds about right.
I couldn't hear Shash.
He's not talking.
He's
No, yeah.
And
He's
I think the
21.
highest wages at Liverpool right now are 220,000, and that's like what, Salah, Van Dijk. There are like 2 players who earn that much.
Salah earns that much. Van Dijk you can still agree.
You can clearly
Salah-
understand why Salah and Van Dijk earn that much.
Yeah, I understand.
Salah is our most prolific goal scorer. Van Dijk is our best defender. Plain and simple. Even Mane doesn't. I think
Mane?
Mane earns around 180k per week or 150k per week.
I think he earns
Three-
Yeah, 200. I think I read somewhere 200.
No. There was a point where he used to earn 100k a week. That's it. And then I think it's gone up to
Yeah.
180.
That's what I read. The 100k a week.
his contract is 200 and
Oh wait, he signed a new one. What am I talking about?
1 second, you guys won't really see the contracts.
But
It'll all be leaked.
weekly.
So
Yeah, it's 100. It's 100. Yeah.
Yeah, I told you. It's
anyone can say anything.
Weekly. Anyways, guys, I think we should speak about the next.
Yeah, exactly. We're going way off topic.
yeah.
going way
This
off
is what
topic.
happens when we talk about football.
you know, it's,
Who's
Anyways,
next? Bayern, PSG.
coming back to the topic, Porto versus Chelsea.
No, wait.
Is
What
it-
was the final thing for City or Dortmund?
Oh, yeah, there
Two
was
City
3
to
Dortmunds and
Two,
1
two,
City.
two City, two Dortmund. Yeah,
Who said another
Oh.
city? You?
yeah. Saddam said City.
I said City.
hey,
Oh.
Why?
It'll be
And there's
interesting to
2
watch, but it'll be
cities, 2
City. It'll be like
Dortmunds.
5-3 City on aggregate.
Yeah, aggregate will be 5-3 around. I don't see City scoring less than 5 goals this fixture in both the legs combined.
That's not happening. Not that.
Unless
week also.
Haaland magically scores like 2 hat-tricks, City are winning.
It
It's
doesn't
not
have to be hard.
impossible.
Anyone
It's
can
not
score.
impossible.
At
It's
this
not
point, I don't care
impossible.
if Berkey came and scored like 6 goals against City.
He doesn't
just
be against
want them
City.
out.
That's it.
The guy's injured, I
Their
guess.
defense,
He
their
is used.
defense
They don't
is
have a keeper.
so good. City's defense has been too good this season.
I mean, technically, I feel like after losing to you guys, they've lost a little in terms of the edge.
No, they
No, I
concede
mean,
only
technically
against us, and then
speaking,
the
if you-
game after that.
Yeah, but if you look at it this way, their victories against Gladbach have just been 2-0, 2-0. We know City is capable of thrashing the teams like Gladbach like 5-0 in each of these this thing.
Rotation.
They got a humbling done by United. I honestly want to say
It was long coming for them.
they deserved it. I felt
Yeah.
so happy, even though I hated it. I felt so happy.
Yeah, it's
Dude,
like
what a
I don't
game
care
that
what you
was.
guys are doing up top. I'm suffering at the bottom.
Yeah.
No, but what a game that was.
Okay. Never mind. Never
You
mind.
know, when I saw this game, I realized, like, I thought about our would you rather win against your local rivals and lose this thing?
Well, we
Doesn't
lost
really
against
happen.
everyone this season, so
It's okay. Happens.
PTSD.
Can't be on top
anyways,
forever.
Porto Chelsea. Coming back to Porto Chelsea, I think we
I
can
want Porto
unanimously say
Chelsea.
Chelsea is going through.
Chelsea's going through.
Easy Chelsea.
Porto on a technicality.
On away
Nah,
goals.
I don't think so.
Yeah, away goals or something like that. Or extra time.
I
Something.
feel like
Honestly, Porto
Chelsea's-
can do what they did to Juventus again.
I
They
think
can just-
Chelsea is going through 3-1 on aggregate. It'll be a 1-0 in the first, like one of the legs, and the 2-1 victory in another leg.
I think Porto can score goals. I think they can actually
No,
score
it's
a
not
lot
about
of
Porto
goals.
scoring goals. It's also about their defense. Like Southampton, for the last 6 games, they haven't conceded the goals.
That's what I know, but who knows who can end whose streak at what time?
I mean, technically, did you see
Exactly.
Kante play against Atletico?
I did, but he's not going to perform the
If
same
he
way.
no,
every
if he
time.
plays like that, there's no chance any team is scoring any goals.
See, look, there's a chance that Chelsea might take it lightly because it's Porto and they've got the easiest draw to fall.
Did you see what Porto manager said about Chelsea?
What did he say?
He's like, we're happy with the Chelsea draw. We knocked out Juventus, and we're gonna play our football. We're gonna do the exact same to Chelsea.
It's possible.
It's
Yeah, it's not even
possible.
possible.
No, I'm not saying
Listen.
it's, at this point anything is possible.
Yeah.
If
For
Sean
all
Chelsea
we
are
know,
known to
Porto's gonna
be,
go win the
you know,
Champions League.
They're not going to.
No, they're not. I
They
mean,
are.
it's possible. It's possible.
I mean,
That's
like,
how it
yeah,
works.
Technically, any of these 8 can.
Yeah, exactly. That's the competition.
yeah. I mean, see, if Sean Dice can end Liverpool's home running streak, then
Oh
anything
no,
is
at this
possible.
point I could have done that.
Anyone could have done that. Even Crescent FC could
Yeah,
have done
I
that.
would have made a team out of just
Not
us.
bad, right?
Like out of
You
got
saw
all
how
my
we filled up
friends.
for ISC and beat them. No, that's how we do it.
Salah will nutmeg us through all, and he will go and score.
No, I'm
Even
serious.
goalkeeper will score.
Even we could have defeated Liverpool. We could have ended their home run the way they were.
Like the
playing.
4 of us could have defeated.
Hey, no, what?
Scored a
Even if we
hat-trick,
just
beat
didn't.
them. Yeah. Anyways,
Sure.
regardless, I feel like there's 1 Porto and 3 Chelsea.
1 Porto, 3
Yeah,
Chelsea.
one Porto. I'm one Porto.
I'm Chelsea.
Fair enough.
I think Chelsea will go.
Bayern Munich versus PSG.
PSG. PSG.
Bayern any day.
Bayern, obviously.
Bayern. of course.
You
PSG,
know that
I
PSG
think
have a
PSG.
habit of choking against Bayern, right?
Bayern are the champions. I thought they'll
And
get
I
it.
don't-
technically
I don't
speaking,
think-
look, if I were to be very honest, PSG is very underwhelming except for their front three.
True.
Their midfield,
The
like
League One's
sometimes
defense-
with Verratti, it's like a mixed bag. You get something decent, you get something shite. But
Yeah, I don't think he performs in the Champions League.
whereas
I
with
mean-
Bayern, it's like a well-rounded team. It's strong everywhere on the pitch.
And Lewandowski.
Yeah, that
And
one is
Müller.
a
I think he's
hot
retiring after the season.
Let's hope.
It honestly doesn't matter. They have Lewandowski. The guy is a living legend.
That guy is a beast.
I agree.
You guys reckon he's gonna humble Mbappe like he humbled Haaland?
Possible.
I feel PSG gonna win this. They're gonna take their revenge.
No, I
don't
think
think so.
Bayern. No, I think Bayern
Look,
is.
even
gonna-
if Neymar's
PSG
back,
were never
Neymar
going to
also
win
wins.
that. They were never going to win the final last year. They're not going to win this year. Like they
Oh.
went in with that.
There are just
Good
some
night.
teams who can't deal with the pressure of being so far high in the Champions League. Obviously, maybe
PSG.
they'll perform better than they did in the finals last season, but I feel like so will Bayern.
Let's see, it's
They're
gonna
not
be very
dipped in form. Bayern
Hey.
have dipped.
Anyways, what do you think the aggregate scores are going to be?
I think PSG might win one leg and go and choke in the other leg. They usually love to do that, so they probably will do that again.
But it's against Bayern.
You
Remember,
know,
winning even one leg against Bayern is a big deal.
True.
And
yeah, I think
Bayern, for some
yeah,
reason,
same.
German teams just don't know what park the bus is.
They don't like it.
Yeah, they just hate that brand of
Yeah,
football.
they just go all out attack, ask it. Like.
Even if
I
they're winning
think
like 1-0 and they know the opposition is strong,
Dude.
they won't park the bus.
Oh, I heard it. Good one, good one.
Thank you. The other two didn't hear, thankfully.
Oh, what did he say?
Nothing.
I'll hear it when I'm editing.
So yeah, fair.
Okay, what? 4-2 on aggregates. Bayern going.
I think it's gonna be
Sounds
3-2
realistic.
on aggregate. It's gonna be very close. It's gonna be 3-2 on aggregate.
Nah, I think 4-2.
4-2 Bayern.
Sadhana.
No, I
4-2
feel
Bayern.
2-1 PSG.
2-1. Aggregates.
PSG.
You
And
know, what should actually be right after all of us.
I
judging
genuinely feel like
Yeah, I
first
swear.
leg is gonna be 1-0. Second leg is gonna be 3-2. No, it's gonna be a
3-1.
2-all draw.
1 3-1.
see,
It's gonna be
first
a
is
two-all
happening
draw.
where? First is happening where? In Germany or sorry,
First one is
in
in
Germany?
Allianz.
Allianz. Then it's going to be 1-0 for Bayern, I feel.
Yeah, I feel like that is
After
gonna be 1-0, and then at Parc des Princes it's gonna be 2-2.
2-2 or
So we have
2-2. Yeah, whatever.
Three
we have
Bayerns,
3
one PSG.
Bayern, 1 PSG. Okay, wait. I want to ask you. So I don't want to talk about the semifinals. Who do you think is going to win the Champions League?
Liverpool.
Yeah, the chances are there, I
No,
feel.
as
There
a
is
fan,
only-
I'm bound to think that way. You can't
No, I
expect me
know-
to
Because we have completely ditched the idea of
Wait, no,
winning any
wait.
domestic cup.
cut this
Savannah
part.
just left.
Cut this part. Ask the same question again.
Sadhana and come back online.
So then just cut. He's like, nah, I'm done with these people.
Sorry. Tell me. What did you say?
No, wait. Shashik asked
Yeah,
me
so-
the exact same question again.
So I don't think we should talk about the semifinals. But who do you guys think is going to win the Champions League? Like, who's gonna win the
Definitely not
final?
City.
Definitely not City.
Definitely
Savannah,
not
who
City.
do you think out of these 8?
You know what? Honestly, it's going to be a City Liverpool final.
You think City is gonna beat either PSG or Bayern?
No, that's not happening. I feel a Bayern
I
Liverpool
would
final can happen.
love for that to happen. I would love for Pep to get humbled.
You
Yeah,
really
I would
think
like that too, but
No, but I
don't
technically
think
feel like, you know what? They're not even gonna make it that far because Pep only ever won Champions League with Barca. It's been a very long time since he's even like,
you don't
reached the
realize
final
that
and won.
Barcelona team can be compared to the City team.
That was a different class altogether.
It was, but I'm going to piss so many
No,
people
technically
off with
speaking,
Dortmund.
that team had like the likes of Eto'o, but City
Yeah.
doesn't have a permanent striker.
5 years from now, when you see the City team, you'll be like, what the fuck? Think about
You know
it.
what? You know what though? It could happen that it could go in the opposite direction. Maybe the football gods will, shower their blessings on us, and City gets disbanded because of violating financial fair play rules.
You know what will happen?
They will pay their way.
The Sheikh will put an umbrella of.
Yeah, Sheikh will
Not so
stitch an umbrella with dollars.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. My laptop is dying.
Ooh, look at that.
Professionalism.
So
at
yeah, I
its
think
peak.
it's going to be a City Liverpool final, and then it can go either way.
But wait.
But you know what? What I am thinking, if Liverpool is not going to go through, or neither PSG, then I feel it Bayern and Dortmund. It's
No,
like
I
the one
think
where that happened.
It's not possible. It's not possible. Bayern Dortmund finals are not possible because
Ouch.
Possible.
no. City
These
and
are the
Dortmund
semis, no?
they're meeting each other in the semis, so it's not possible.
Semis, yeah.
So
Oh,
I honestly think it's random, but I think Chelsea might actually make it to the final. I honestly feel Chelsea might make it just purely because they've been so good.
Yeah, chances are there.
Yeah, chances are there.
I think
We
if
can-
Liverpool make it to the final, we will win. 'cause
Okay,
it's
wait.
done.
Predict your finalists. Predict your UCL finalists.
Sadanand
Okay,
said
I'm going to
City.
go first. No. I'm going to say 3. Okay? 3 finalists. If any of those 3 comes, I'm a legend. So City obviously 1, Liverpool 2, and Dortmund 3.
Let Hari go. Hari
I'm gonna
go.
follow in Sadanand's footsteps. I'm gonna name 8. If any of those 8 make it to the finals, I'm a genius.
Mine is quite interesting.
No,
Porto,
I feel like it's gonna be Liverpool and Bayern.
Not possible.
It is.
It is
Oh yeah,
possible.
correct. It is.
Liverpool,
I feel one Porto for sure. I feel like that.
Then don't say for sure.
Never say something definitive.
Yeah,
PSG and Liverpool obviously.
Porto, PSG.
We just
Liverpool.
named 4.
No,
I
you
said
named
Porto,
3.
Liverpool, PSG.
Oh, okay, 3.
Fair enough, mate. Shush.
Bro, I think Chelsea, Liverpool, and Bayern.
I'm the only one who named like 2.
On a real
Yeah.
though, I think
But
it's Bayern. and
you guys know what? I think all of us put Liverpool in the finals.
Yeah. What is wrong with me?
You don't put it there. You don't
Wait,
put it.
did all of us put Bayern also?
Yeah, I put Bayern. No,
He did.
Hari didn't put Bayern.
Hari did.
didn't put.
I mean, I
No
feel
one put
PSG
Real.
can be.
Nah, Real are
It's like,
washed up.
no one put Real, no one put Porto.
Real is washed
Oh,
up.
you put, yeah, Harry put Porto. My bad. No one put
Anyways,
Real.
So guys, is it Europa League time?
Europa League time. Somewhere
This
we
is where
never
I
want to
shine.
go, but since Sadanand is here, we shall.
I don't feel that's why you've called me here just because you have content for Europa.
No, I actually wanted Arun as well because I want to make fun of Tottenham, but
Hey,
Yeah, he's not here because of that.
yeah, he's not here because of that. He doesn't have exams. He doesn't have to study. Arun,
Yeah, how?
if you're watching this, I know you lied to us.
No, he's probably texting me. Yeah, he sent me some YouTube video. I told you, no? I told
Anyway,
Sash.
before we get into the UCL
video.
draws, what do you guys think about Dinamo Zagreb's win against Spurs?
oh, that's all called mind game inside the jail. From the jail. So,
I mean, I'm not surprised that bottle shops anyway. Like if they won, cool. If they lost, yeah, okay, normal. That's what literally happened.
I don't remember who, but I'm pretty sure I owe someone like $20 because I said Tottenham was going to make it to the final.
I don't know what.
It's a good thing I don't remember.
How do you come?
that person might remember.
I don't care.
You're
So
too rich.
I think what's the first game? Granada United.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's Granada United. Easy
Wait,
draw.
what? Granada is in
if
UEL.
you guys don't go through with at least 4-0 on aggregate, you should just give up on life.
Here's the thing. Okay, United perform only on the big games. We beat Real Sociedad, who were top of their league at that time. We have now beat AC Milan, who are having their resurgence. Okay, so if honestly, I think we'll just scrape through Granada.
So what are you thinking? Like it's going to be 2-1 aggregate over the 2 legs?
3-2, 3-2, or even 3-3 on away goals. But we'll
Do you
get
see
there.
absolutely any chance that Granada is going to beat you? Like just a shocker.
Yes. Probably one leg they will beat
The
us and scare us.
Sevilla.
Yeah, no. See, that's the thing. Sevilla are like the UCL holders. They've been there for what? Forever, right? So So I knew there were low chances of us winning that fixture. But this,
Uh-huh.
I was telling someone. So if we had got Ajax, Roma, or Arsenal, we were through for sure. Okay.
You told me this.
But no, before I told someone else, man. And Granada and Sylvia Praha is like iffy. We'll scrape through. If it got in the other two, no, that is the one with the manager in jail and
Dinamo Zagreb.
yeah, that and their fixture, we would have definitely lost. We would have bottled it. That's how United works.
What about you, Shashik?
No, I think it's going to be United. Nothing else. It's just going to be
Aggregate?
United. I think 4-0.
Somebody
Yeah, I
decided
don't-
to take me up on my offer.
What
What
do you
about
do
you,
a
Hari?
stupid thing and get De Gea again? That's the problem.
See, I don't know Granada is from which league, so United, let's go.
Granada
Oh,
is
never
from
mind.
Spanish league.
They're from the
Oh,
Spanish.
they
Santander.
beat Barca, right?
They beat
This
Everybody's
season,
beat Barca.
Yeah,
this
they've
season.
been.
I feel
Everyone
Granada will grow through.
Wait,
Of course.
Granada beat Barca,
Uh,
but
so,
Cadiz beat Madrid and Barca.
Huh.
And this is their first season in the top flight.
Yeah,
Okay,
this is their
then-
first time in Europe.
I feel Granada
This is their
can go
first
through.
time in Liga Santander in their entire history because they're a very recently formed team. And
This
they've
is their first
beaten-
time in Europe.
Yeah. And they've beaten both Real and Barca this season in the Liga Santander.
See, there's 50-50 chance then. Either of the teams.
50-50. What?
Yeah.
No, I think this is 70-30 in favor of United. It's going to be a 3-1 aggregate victory.
No, I'm
Which-
telling on the
1-0 in
basis of.
first leg, 2-1 in the second. And I
Yeah,
guarantee
No, I
you
think we'll
Granada
draw
will
one.
go. I'm guaranteeing you in the second leg, Granada will go ahead in this thing. Will go ahead with the first goal and then United will score two.
Yeah. First match will be a draw. Second match will be like
One will be a very shady Bruno penalty. Bound to happen at some point.
This
One will be a
reminds me
brilliant
of a
Pogba
meme.
goal. Some outside the box thunderous volley.
some mental, that Benjamin Pavard goal like that.
Don't remind me.
Yeah,
of
like
that.
that.
This reminded me of a meme. Like, imagine Bruno Fernandes in the World Cup final, 95th minute, he's scoring a penalty and winning the World Cup.
Against
whole
England.
world would
Against
lose it.
England.
Against England, yeah.
Enough to start World War III. Enough to start
Enough
World
to
War
start World War III.
He
Anyways,
will be
moving on,
like,
this
let's go.
fixture is actually very interesting. Ajax Roma.
Oh,
The
yeah,
winner
yeah.
will be playing, United or Granada will be playing the winner of this.
I
Yeah.
think
I think so, yeah.
No,
Yeah.
so
no,
if
no,
United,
they're not gonna be. They're not gonna be.
they are. They're
They
the same.
are. Winner
No,
of
is it gonna be
quarterfinal
this
one
one?
against.
Because isn't it supposed to be like on the second week, whoever plays the first fixture is the one whom United will play against?
Yeah, Ajax Roma is the third fixture.
Oh, okay. No wait. I'm
Yeah.
totally lost my train. They had to make a draw for that as well,
They
right?
had to make a draw, yeah. There was a draw for that, yeah.
Yeah,
there was-
it's 1,
there was
3,
a
2,
draw.
4.
No, there was a draw. They had to pick.
You have what they do is basically
They-
they pick the fixtures, and then what they do is they have 4 other balls which have like
Quarterfinal
team
one,
qualifying
quarterfinal two,
from
quarterfinal
quarterfinal
two.
1
Yeah.
and team
Oh.
qualifying from quarterfinal 4 or something like that. Depends on whichever ball they pick up.
So United will face the winner of. United or Granada will face the winner of Ajax and Roma.
Pretty much.
Now that I see that, I don't think United are going to win.
No. Ajax, I don't think so. Even
I
if you
think-
feel.
I think
I mean, look,
Ajax will.
technically speaking, Ajax is on top of Eredivisie, but Roma is what? 6th?
Roma.
One
is-
second, when have Ajax not been on top?
True. They're the
There have
only
been a
good
couple
team.
of seasons in between where PSV have been.
PSV have been, yeah.
PSV
But
is the only
they-
other team that's legitimately challenging for the title every season.
Yeah.
But honestly,
Okay,
who
anyways,
do you
it's going to
see?
be the winner of United and Granada versus Ajax Roma. I saw the.
So who do you think will go through? Ajax or Roma?
Ajax.
Ajax.
Roma is not. Yeah.
I
feel-
go Ajax as well.
Ajax
I
2-0
feel
aggregate.
Roma.
1-0, 1-0 both legs. Boring.
Honestly,
I-
the entire
I-
episode today, Hari has gone different from all of us. Everything he says comes
Yeah,
true.
that's what.
Go for
Yeah,
it, Hari.
come
Who's
to
going
me.
through?
No, he's hoping for an underdog story.
I feel Roma, you know why? Because Ajax,
underdog
as you
story.
said,
Like he just said.
no, not just that also, Dasi. Compared to Netherlands, what's the name of that? Eredivisie, right?
Yeah,
In front of me. And the Serie A. Serie A is more competitive than Eredivisie. So, in that sense, if Roma is sitting 6th, which is equal to first position in Eredivisie, I feel. So,
I wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't go that far.
no, but so I feel like Roma can beat Ajax easily.
I
and go
can. I think it'll be a very close fixture, but I think Ajax might scrape through.
Plus, Ajax's team is not that magical team of
I know.
Liverpool's campaign. No, it's not that same team anymore.
I think
Partly
Ajax
because
will
they sold
scrape
everyone.
True, it's their own mistake.
They sold
What a
literally
team
everyone.
that was.
Yeah,
But I think Ajax will scrape through and go and lose to United.
They don't have a
All
keeper, if
brand.
I'm not wrong. Because Onana has
Yeah.
been banned from football for a year.
Yeah, Onana has been banned from football.
Oh, yeah, that-
what? They have a backup people,
I
obviously.
mean, technically,
Probably
Onana
shy.
was brilliant. I mean, he got caught for
Onana-
doping, so he's probably not brilliant enough. But
I mean, they're
that
there.
still was a good player.
so what? There's like 3 Ajaxes and 1 Roma.
I wonder who's Roma.
fair enough. 2 Romas, I guess.
Arsenal, Slavia Praha.
Arsenal.
Oh my
This
God.
this
Slavia
can't
Praha.
be Slavia.
Hey, Slavia Praha. I don't want Arsenal to
No,
win
I'm
anything
purely
in
saying
their
Arsenal
life.
because
I want
them
Arsenal to win
Uh,
just because of the incident.
No, I don't like
don't want-
Arsenal.
I don't want a
I
racist
hate
club to
Slavia
go
as of
through.
now, but also
Yeah.
because I want Arsenal to, pick up their form and
I honestly
rebuild
feel
their
bad for
tattered
the club.
image.
I've seen memes on the internet saying Arsenal are no more a big six club. That's
They're not.
completely
They are
false.
clearly
I think
not.
they are. They're not. I don't think they're a top six club. I think they're a big six club. You can't write off something that
Big
happened in
six,
history.
yeah, but I think technically speaking, they're not
They're
a top
not
6
top.
club anymore.
They've
Because
not been
how
top
long
six
has it
for
been
long.
since Arsenal finished in the top half?
I think it's been 2
4
years.
years.
2 years. 2 years. They finished.
Hey,
been that long?
They made it to the Europa finals, no?
Exactly. So
Or was that because they won the FA Cup or something?
no. They actually
no.
finished. They actually finished fifth or something last.
Yeah, recently they finished. Yeah, 2-3 seasons ago they finished with.
Oh yeah, wait. One of the seasons they finished right below us. In fifth.
Yeah, exactly. So
See,
Yeah.
personally, I hate Arsenal so much, so I don't want them to go through anything. I want them to get relegated and be in the last tier of the English football. I just don't want them to
Hari,
go.
just to rub salt
Uh-huh.
on your wounds. Arsenal are the only top flight team to never be relegated.
I know that. I just want that thing to. I don't like that team. I don't.
But I think
Yet.
United
think
got
all-
relegated twice.
I think all three of us said Arsenal, except of course, you know who.
Yeah.
Hari, are you supporting a club full of racists?
What?
Do you not know what happened?
How could you
No, I'm
possibly
not-
not know he was part of
see.
the conversation?
He wasn't there when we were
He
talking
wasn't?
about that.
I mean, but it's all over the internet.
Okay, basically, against Rangers, one of the players from Slavia racially abused the other player, allegedly.
He went and whispered in his ear.
Yeah, he
Then-
whispered in his ear, fucking monkey.
Then I'm not
Andre
supporting
Goodell
any
or
of
something.
them.
His name is.
Anyone goes through, I'm happy with it. Okay. Good for them.
Technically, you still want Slavia Praha to go.
Yeah, that's
kidding,
what-
dude. It's fine. You're entitled to your opinion regardless. I mean, just because of one player, you can't brand the entire football team.
True. That's true.
So, I guess Slavia, 3 Arsenal. Dinamo Zagreb versus Villarreal, the Yellow Submarine.
You know what?
Yeah.
It doesn't even matter.
The jail tactics gonna work again. Dynamo is gonna go through.
Man's gonna make a couple of calls from the prison, and then all of a sudden, Villarreal team is gonna disappear the day
He-
before the fixture.
He gonna do that pep talk. One side's gonna hold the phone and the assistant manager from another side full pep talk for 10 minutes. It's gonna
no.
happen.
You make one call, there'll be ball boys will have knives. They'll shank them off. They'll be fine.
Right when the camera's not looking, and they go to pick up the ball.
Like what Hazard did not for that kid, the ball boys will do to them.
The ball boy is gonna kick them this time. He's gonna shank them.
Revenge. One.
Anyways, one last question before we wrap up the episode, and this has been.
Dude, you
my
guys
mind.
never said who do you think is gonna go through?
Europa, United.
No.
United.
Who's gonna through Villarreal or?
Villarreal.
And we have one more fixture. Right?
Yeah, that's it. I think we're done with 4 fixtures. So who's gonna win the final?
Yo,
United.
listen. 1 second.
I don't see why we're
Sevilla is
debating
not
this. United
young.
are supposed to win the
Sevilla-
Europa League now.
You were supposed to win it last season too.
No, it's supposed to be United versus. It's gonna be United versus Arsenal.
Villarreal. No, Villarreal. Arsenal will lose against them.
What?
I think United Arsenal. I think United Arsenal, then United win it.
It's
And then
either gonna
Arteta
be
gets
United
sacked.
Arsenal or United Ajax again.
They'll come in the finals.
United Ajax can't be in the final.
Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, they're playing against each other.
Yeah.
Yo, but still,
You guys have
Sevilla,
assumed that United and Ajax are gonna.
Ajax Arsenal.
Sevilla got knocked out in the group stages, so that's.
Or the Champions League.
Champions League.
Oh, they didn't even make it to round of 16. Damn. That's
No,
sick.
I think they finished 4th,
Yeah. They finished fourth.
or did they finish
That's bad.
3rd?
Yeah. That's why they didn't go to the Europa League, no?
No, that's
Yeah. Correct. If they came to the Europa League.
I said, if they came to the Europa League, they're gonna win it. So,
Yeah, obviously.
Sevilla only. That's their place.
I
Okay,
think
so
Hey,
United.
wait a second.
What do you
Yo,
think?
Sevilla
Wait.
is also a PTSD for us, Liverpool fans, if
Yeah, I
you
know.
remember.
Yeah.
Guys, no. Sevilla didn't get knocked out of the group stage. They lost to Dortmund.
Yeah, exactly. They were also Dortmund. They didn't.
They got
Oh,
knocked
they-
out by Dortmund.
It's good.
I
I'm
bet now
happy.
they're wondering why they didn't finish third on purpose.
Yeah.
Who cares?
They
Anyways,
didn't.
United win the Europa League or I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Despite-
United or Granada.
I feel
United or
Roma.
Granada.
I think Hari would say Slavia Praha will win the Europa League.
No, I feel Roma.
Go ahead and
Jail
say it.
tactics, sorry, for the jail tactics. Do it.
Dynamo and
Cup will be
Roma.
Porto and Sylvia Praha. Done.
No.
No, he said Dinamo and Roma. That's crazy. Okay.
And he said Porto.
I'm gonna say Arsenal United.
Yeah,
No,
he said,
fine.
he said Porto
Fine.
Champions
No,
League.
no. UCL, I
Champions
just said
League.
fine. No,
Ah, so Super
UCL
Cup is
winners are
Super Cup-
Liverpool only.
Super Cup is the winner of the UCL and
Oh wait,
Europa
no,
You-
but Super Cup. Liverpool United.
I think
Yo.
Dynamo and I think Porto. Easy.
Liverpool United.
Yeah. I don't think Liverpool will win. They won't win the final.
We shall prove you wrong. I hope.
You hope.
Otherwise, I'm
Finish.
gonna
Have
do
you
what I do
realized
every
everything
match
you
week. I'm gonna go
called
cry into my pillow.
So everything you've called has like turned out wrong. So please call the opposite thing.
Liverpool are gonna get knocked
Granada are
out.
going to win, no? Sirish?
Liverpool are gonna get knocked out of the Champions League. They're not gonna make it to the final. They're not gonna win the final.
I think they're gonna win the final. Yeah.
Cool, Shash.
Sirish,
I wanted to ask
Granada
this
are going to
question
win, no?
Huh?
Granada are going to win, no?
No, United are gonna win.
No, United are gonna win.
My God. No,
You naughty,
but
naughty.
that Super Cup going to be interesting if it's going to be United Liverpool. It's going to be damn fun. Let's make a truce.
Nahi,
Both
Shash,
of them
do
are
the
very
outro.
I don't know how to do the outro.
Oh my god, one more.
I'm another Arun. I don't know how to do an outro.
Same.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. Do follow our
Please
YouTube.
like,
Do follow
share,
our
and
Instagram.
subscribe. Okay,
Please do.
please
Go ahead,
follow.
go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Please like this video and share it with your friends, and also check out Arun and Sadanand's podcast, which will be in the description. And can you guys stop doing that? It's very awkward. Okay. What else? What else do I say?
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow us on at the rate pretentious pundits on Instagram.
That
And
was the
yeah,
first
guys,
thing
see
you
you in the
said.
next one. No, I didn't say at the rate pretentious
Oh,
pundits.
no, man.
Yeah.
And
Thank you, guys.
They'll be watching it there.
Say thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
See you in the next one.